Welcome to my massive Dollar Tree haul. I have Halloween and fall, it's all on the floor here. Taken many trips to Dollar Tree in the past week or so. So I'm broke now, but you get to see what I got. I was very excited to find these ghosts. I think I got 3 of these. They have little styrofoam heads and styrofoam arms. There's a little wire inside so you can bend the arms how you want, but I did them up like that so you could see them. I like the way that the cut is on the bottom, so it's not just straight down. I like that it's jagged like that, and then there's still, it's pretty big, goes on for a while. Here we go. Next up are these hanging skeletons. These ones are glow in the dark, but they have some plain ones too. The glow in the dark ones are more of like a white. I thought these would be cool to hang outside at night. I found the other skeletons that I bought. These ones are the ones that don't glow in the dark. As you can see, they're not as white as the other ones. These ones have a more creepy, dirty look. Then I was on the hunt for these nesting boxes. I love them because obviously you can put the smaller ones inside when you store them. This one says The Witches, Book of Spells, and then on the side there's pages on the top. Potions and Poisons. And then there's an even smaller one inside. And this one's Curses and Hexes with a little skull, some flowers. And this one is a spider there, and this one says Spells on the side. Then I got some creepy cloth. I have a bunch of these that I use for various things, but you can never have too much creepy cloth. And I got these little baking cups. Here are little cookie cutters. This is only one set. They have one more set. I think I have a picture of it. I'll put it here. This is the one that I liked the best. We got a pumpkin, a bat, and a little cat. I got a little set of paddle balls. I thought these were so cute, and we do games at my Halloween party, and so I thought this would be funny to do, to see who could get the most in a row and laugh at everybody while they try to do it. I think this is a great deal for a pumpkin carving kit. We got a scoop, and I don't know if you can see, but it has little teeth on the end, so good for scraping. And then we have a little knife here. Then we have what they call fright tape. This one is purple. It says beware, and it has spider webs in the background. This one we got black with some yellow danger, and there are bats that fly in the background. They have other ones. I'll put a picture here, but these are the 2 that I thought were the coolest. Then I found these cool leaf bags. The picture doesn't really show the color. They're a little more red, but they're still orange. They just look red, more red than the picture on the front. There's 2 in the bag, and I thought that would be cool to put out front, in front of my house. I found the most adorable gift bags. These ones are black. They say trick or treat with some ghosts. There's 2 in a pack. On the other side there's just a ghost. On the back of each of them it's the same. There's no difference from the front and the back. And they have an orange set too. I'll put that picture here. I think it's a jack-o'-lantern, but I like this one the best. I got these really cute plates. They say keep it real with a spider hanging down and some webs. And then these are the napkins that match. This little box matches the kitchen towels that are out new. It says have a spooktacular Halloween. Matches on the front and the back. There's the pattern, has a little ribbon to hold it, and then the inside is orange. I love the purple color in this little bouquet. There's little bats and little branches and the cutest purple roses. Here in the mini buckets, these ones are the skulls. Let's see. That's what they look like. They have other ones too. I'll put a picture of the other options right here. And I'm gonna take my little tea lights that I have, and I'm gonna stick them in here, and it'll be like little candles. They have a ton of wooden shapes out to craft with, and these are the ones that I chose. It's like a little coffin shape with some jack-o'-lanterns inside. It's a witch stirring a cauldron. And I got 2 because I might put them together like this and make one big sign with the 2 of them stirring the cauldron. So I thought those were pretty cool. I'm going to use these witch hat picks. as a little scavenger hunt out in the backyard. Hopefully it won't be raining out on Halloween or for my Halloween party. And we're gonna do a witch hunt. And I'm gonna stick these little picks out in the dark in the backyard and make everybody search for them. Hilarity will ensue. My favorite time is sock time. And we have these ones here. I love the lime green with the little ghosts. And then we have this pair here with the different stripes of different patterns. We got cats, candy corn, ghosts, jack-o'-lanterns. Love those colors. And then we have this black cat, again with the lime green, and it says wicked, and the cat and the word wicked are both fuzzy. I found more socks, because of course I bought more socks. These ones are the knee length. We have a cute little cat with some spiders, and there's little stripes at the bottom. And then these ones are jack-o'-lanterns, and these ones are sparkly with the moon and some stars. A little orange bottom there. I found little bean bags. I think there are 2 more options besides these. We have a little cat, and then we have a little ghost. In my last Dollar Tree haul, I showed the orange lights. This time I got the purple ones. Next up is one of my favorite finds from this year. I know they've had them in years past, but I've never been able to find them before. It's the Halloween ornaments. These ones are black, these ones are glitter, these ones are matte, but the glitter on the webs right there, you can see better. These are the same but in purple. Again, this one's glitter and this one's matte with the glitter on the web. And then these have bats. And these ones are all glitter. We have black and white, but these ones here are eyeballs. And there's a purple eye, and then we have like a blue, yeah, it's like a light blue eye. These are hot items that people have been looking for. We have this skull candle. It's supposed to be like a bleeding candle. Like once you burn it, the red's supposed to like spill out the top. I've seen people on Instagram say that it doesn't really do that, but we'll try it. And then this little candle is unscented. It's a little jar, same on both sides. And that's what it looks like on the inside. They have 3 colors, green, purple, and orange, I think. I love the Halloween scarves this year. This one is a plaid, orange and black. This one's also orange and black, and it has little jack-o'-lantern faces and some little gray, little grayish stars in the background. I thought this door hanger was adorable. It's little witch's legs and feet. It's got some little tulle around the top. Hold it back here so you can see it in full. These are a favorite of mine. We have these little signs. They have hangers on the back, but you can always just stick them on a table or a tiered tray. This one says spider venom, highly toxic. This one says 'tis the season to be spooky. The words are in glitter. I love those. I love these green pumpkins. I guess they're fall, but I love that color for Halloween. Very cool. We got come in for a spell with a witch hat and a broom and some little stars. Looks like it's wooden. The pieces right there. They have a lot of vintage looking signs this year, which I love. I had to have this beware sign. Here's an up close view so you can see the glitter. This is one of my favorite finds as well. Like I said, they have a lot of vintage looking signs this year, and this is one of them. Black Hat Society, Inquire Inside. Here's the glitter on this one. These are old, but I wanted to grab a couple this year for my kitchen table. There are different color options in these as well. And the bottoms are spider webs, and the top is a little skeleton hand. Then we have this little jack-o'-lantern candle holder with a little handle. Then I found these little berry picks. These ones are silver and black, and they have little leaves in the background. And these ones are just orange with no leaves. And you can see the wire holding those together there. And lastly, for Halloween, we have this rug. It says, "'Tis the season to be spooky," with a little haunted house on the side. Before we get into the fall stuff, I grabbed a few things for Day of the Dead. I'm gonna do a little table for that this year. Here is a kitchen towel. Then I got the charger plates to match. I got 2 of those. 2 of these little signs. One has green eyes and the other one has blue. And there's a little stand in the back. And then these signs, these ones have hangers on the top. You can see the glitter. And lastly, of course, I had to have socks. I have these fall rugs. Little truck and the pumpkins. I'm obsessed with trucks. So anything holiday truck with something in the back, I will buy. And then this one has a pumpkin, and I love that bright orange color. Now I have a whole stack of fall signs here. This truck says pumpkin patch. I got these at Family Dollar, which is, if you don't have a Dollar Tree Plus near you, you know that this is where you can find the stuff that you would normally see in a Dollar Tree Plus. If I can't find the regular $1 items at my Dollar Tree, I usually check the Family Dollar because they hold most of the same signs and things like that. This one is for hot apple cider. I'm gonna do an apple cider bar this year in my kitchen. So this you could use for Christmas too. This one says Home Sweet Home, and I love the black and white buffalo check. All of the lettering is glittery, and it has sunflowers on it. So that is gonna be a before Halloween sign. My theme is gonna be sunflowers this year. This is another sunflower sign, and the top here is this galvanized metal with the glitter letters, and the rest is more of a matte. And then you can just see on the back how it's all held together. I love this mason jar sign. I'm gonna dress the top of it up with some flowers and maybe some twine. We have another truck sign, Farm Fresh Fall, with some pumpkins in the back, and this one looks like wood. This one is like a warmer tone than the rest of the signs that I have. Then we have this one, sunflowers on the bottom, and I love this white pumpkin here. And this board and this board have glitter. A give thanks sign with some sunflowers. We have another black and white sign here, thankful and blessed. This one says fall. This one says harvest. And this one says gather. Here's this little table sign. It says welcome friends with a little sunflower on it. Sits like that. And we have these 2 more truck signs here. They're supposed to have these little galvanized pieces on here, but they came off, but I can hot glue them back on. And lastly, for signs, we have this sign on the pick here, and it says 25 cents a pound, farm fresh pumpkins. These are so elegant. I love the leaf prints that are on these. And the top comes off like that. They have all sorts of pumpkins that kind of look like this. It's a pumpkin and then some little floral pieces sticking out the top. And this one says, be blessed, be thankful. And this one's pretty heavy. Next up is this buffalo check pumpkin. Now this one comes in blue, orange, and black. And then we have mini pumpkins. This little guy is so cute. They have hay bales. They also have mini versions of these. We have berry picks with the leaves in the background. We have berry garlands. These ones are white and lime green. I might use these for Halloween. And then these ones are more traditional fall. These ones are more deep red. And then these ones are more orange. We have decorative mesh. This one is a red. This one is black and white. These are kind of the same as the mesh. I was really excited to find this. This is a hot item, and there was only one left in the entire store. So these little door hanger pillows. I love these gnome stickers. We have garlands. These have little berries and pumpkins and leaves. We have more berry picks. These ones have 2 different little shades on them. Then we have pumpkin clips, like this. You can even put on your hair, really. Yeah. This just says Decor on it. I'm not exactly sure what they are, but there are so many crafting possibilities. I'm gonna use these as coasters. You could make a banner with them. They're kind of heavy, but if you hot glued some ribbon onto the back, you can make a big banner like that. Sunflowers. And these are the mini hay bales. If you were gonna do a little village or something like that. Those mini hay bales would be perfect to use with these. This is all I could find so far for the little fall village pieces. I can't wait to find the Halloween ones. And then this little door. And lastly, this little door. I love the corn. This is my favorite find for all of fall so far this year. These are absolutely gorgeous. It's kind of hard to tell in the video, but these are a dark blue. And some of the fabric weaved into the placemat is shimmery. We have a dish drying mat and a towel. They also have an oven mitt and a pot holder set. I found sunflower placemats. I did end up getting the oven mitt and pot holders to go with that set. And I got the dish towel. And to match the brown and the sunflowers, I got this plain brown dish drying mat. These dish towels are over in the actual dish towel section. The rest of that stuff I found on the square display stand that's at the front of the store. We have a truck and we have fresh picked sunflowers. We have this sunflower plate, a pumpkin plate, and then I got the napkins to match, and then here are the square ones. These would be perfect for Thanksgiving dessert. I love the brown on the edges there with all the words in the background. We have autumn, thankful, fall colors, grateful, pumpkins. And I found this gather together sign in the regular picture section. I found this beautiful floral. They have 3 colors of this. I'll put the options here. My mom has a blue living room, so I thought that would be a good touch in there with the berries and the little pumpkins. LED lights, little maple leaves here. These are called Harvest DIY pins. They're little trucks. Here are the clips on the back. I found window clings. These are little maple leaves. And then we have pumpkins and gourds there. I like to put these on my kitchen backsplash. These are pumpkin wreath forms. There's 2 here. I got the last 2. So here's what one looks like by itself. And I've seen people do crafts where they attach them together like this. I don't know how well you can see, but they attach them together like this and they put leaves and floral in the middle. And now we're at the home stretch with the scarecrows. So we got this little guy. We got this little one. This is my favorite, little pumpkin. And there's a sunflower. And we got corn. So I can't wait to put these outside when I get my mom's. I'll do a little video showing that when I get that all together. All right, well that's it guys. Thank you so much for sticking around if you made it to the end of the video. I know that was a lot of stuff. I love Dollar Tree, as you can tell. So if you love Dollar Tree too, hit like and subscribe to the channel to see more Dollar Tree content. And if you want to see my daily Dollar Tree finds, follow me on Instagram at shopwith_Morgan. Make sure you comment below what your favorite find was from this haul and let me know what you are on the hunt for at your Dollar Tree. I'll see you next time. Bye!